things like that.
Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the Ipsy April standard bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off trying to do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video. It's the Trusted YouTuber Guide. Congratulations, Melissa Cummins. Melissa says, hey, beautiful. Hope you're doing good. Love you, girl. Well, thank you so much, Melissa. Honey, I love you too. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the videos. Thank you so much. Love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to get first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, this is the second round of spoilers. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you every spoiler that they got out so far. And again, this is for the April standard bag. So first up is the Lovecraft Beauty lipstick in the shade Falsta. Next up is the Luxy Beauty 209 Large Shader Summer Days Tan Brush. And then we have the Gold Fadden MD Hands to Heart Anti-Aging and Brightening Hand Treatment. Next up, we got the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. And then we have the Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. And then we have the Ahava 24K Gold Mineral Mud Mask. And then we have Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. And then we have the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in the shade Courage. And then we have the Buxom Beauty Lash Volumizing Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. Next up, we have the Shayna B. Miami Blush Brush. And then last but certainly not least is the, I think it's Araceli Beauty. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Here's more words I can't say. Anyways, the Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in a loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Jenny Gets Skinny. Jenny says, at Justin, I absolutely love her channel. Jenny, you are right. Justin is an amazing YouTuber. And she is very truthful, and she'll tell you if she don't like something in a minute. So I agree with you there. And I thank you so much, Jenny, for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube just unsubscribes people for no damn reason at all. But if you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.